Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use emojis in Roblox PC. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do people actually use those emojis that you see on the chats? Well, in this case, it's actually pretty easy. So first things first, let's go ahead and go to the to chat, click here section. And from here, just type in whatever you want to say. So for example, I just want to say hi here. And what you need to do is you need to actually press a combination of keys for you to access the Emojis UI. In this case, go ahead and hold on the Windows key or the icon that you see on your keyboard that actually looks like a window. And from then on, press and hold on it until you press the semicolon button as well. Now, once you click on it, you should be able to see the emoji UI here. In this case, you could just add whatever whatever type of emoji you want to say. So in this case, let's just type in the following emojis and click on send. Now, once we click on send, as you can see, we now use some emojis, which is something really cool. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.